Garment factories today are under more pressure than ever, with tighter deadlines, higher quality demands, and the constant need for efficiency. For companies with overseas operations, management becomes even more complex. So how can you stay in control and see your production line in real time, no matter where you are? Backed by OSHIMA's complete cutting room ecosystem, the platform already integrates data from the Eagle AI inspection machine and the S-Pro spreading machine. In the near future, it will connect the entire process from inspection to cutting and needle detection, giving factories a strong digital backbone. A smarter factory starts here. The Smart Factory platform makes it easy to monitor your factory. It runs on cloud deployment, so no extra hardware is required. With just an internet connection, managers and operators can check machine status anytime and stay informed about production lines around the world. Operators and managers share the same interactive dashboards, ensuring data is clear for everyone. When issues occur, instant error notifications allow supervisors to respond immediately, adjust schedules, and reduce both waiting time and communication costs. The Smart Factory platform makes job order management simple and efficient. Orders can be imported directly from Excel or created online within the platform. Supervisors can update schedules instantly, keeping production smooth and responsive to urgent changes. Every decision is supported by data. The platform integrates seamlessly with ERP and MES systems, ensuring information is automatically exchanged and always up to date. Managers can track KPIs such as asset utilization, operator capacity, and machine productivity. Reports are generated automatically, providing clear insights to improve efficiency and performance. With more than 50 years of innovation, OSHIMA is more than an equipment provider. We are your long-term partner in smart manufacturing. The Smart Factory platform is your first step toward a more efficient, connected, and competitive future.